Hello, this is the Provoked Prawn, and this is the Asus Strix GeForce GTX 1070 Ti graphics card. Doing an unboxing video here, and I will be using this graphics card in a build later on where I'm going to use it to show how to build your own gaming PC, but also I'll be using it in a caddy with a Razer laptop at some point, hopefully. This is a pretty powerful bit of kit and pretty expensive as well, unfortunately, at the moment due to all the miners, but it's VR ready, and it has 8 GB of GDDR5 video RAM. The interesting things for me though are the 2 HDMI and DVI connections and the 2 display ports that are on there. Also supports DirectX 12, OpenGL 4.5, and has 3 fans. It's pretty tasty. Also got the Asus ROG Sync on it as well, so some RGB goodness going on there if you love that stuff, which we do. I've always been a fan of Asus graphics card, and this one is pretty tasty. I'm currently running a GTX Titan X, the original in my system at the moment, so this is an interesting step in a slightly different direction, but the 1070 Ti is a pretty powerful graphics card, and Asus is a solid brand, so it should be a wicked card. This is literally just an unboxing video for the moment, so I'm just going to let you enjoy that goodness, and then please come back for more in future, including watching this beast being put into a machine. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and drop us a comment. Couple of cable tidies. So it's got 2 HDMIs, a DVI, and 2 display ports. Pretty cool, plenty of outputs. And a trio of fans. Beautiful. Sync, some RGB goodness. VR ready. I should be putting this in a new build later on this month. She'll get to see as well, hopefully. And also using it with a Razer gaming laptop there and testing it in the future once that comes through. But there you are. The Zeus. Beautiful.